If you want to study in career, of course, South Korea for free, you have to watch this video. In this video, we'll talk about fully funded scholarship provided by the Korean government to study master or PhD programs. As I have mentioned, the scholarship is fully funded. You don't have to pay for anything. Additionally, you will get every month financial support, your free accommodation, and of course you will get tickets from your home country to Korea and back when you finish your education. Talking about eligibility, more than 102 countries are eligible to apply. Check your country. I will share with you the links, but I'm sure that you are there. There are two groups of programs that are there for the international students. First group is research and development, including all the technical sciences, math, medicine, engineering, and etc. The second group of the program includes a global network program, and it mostly includes humanities and social science. So you will find your program there for sure. Talking about eligibility, the only limitation is the age, so you shouldn't be more than 40 years old while applying for the scholarship. There are two tracks you can apply for the scholarships. First track is embassy track, and second way is university track. So you have to choose whether you will apply through embassy if you have any in your home country. If you don't have, the university track is for you. If you decide to apply through embassy track, you just need to contact the embassy, or you just need to check their website, Korean embassy in your country, and see what kind of announcements about Korean government scholarship they have. Usually the embassy will explain and will provide you with detailed explanation of how to apply for the scholarship, what documents you need, and when should you submit your documents. The second track is university track. Of course, you have to check the website of the universities, Korean universities, and most of the universities are participating in this program. After you check the university, the perfect university and the perfect program that fits you, you have to contact international department asking about how you can proceed your application. But in most cases, the website of the university provide you step-by-step guideline how to apply for the program. The scholarship is announced every year, and every year the Korean government accepts 2,200 international students to come to study in Korea. It was for 2024. The application is open. You can still apply for the scholarship, and because currently they are accepting applicants. So talking about the documents that you need, the most important part is personal statement or motivation letter, of course. I have some videos on how to write catching motivation letter. Please watch them. And if you're applying for doctoral degrees, you have to provide study plan. How are you going to implement the knowledge you get from the university, and how are you going to finish your research during this 3-year period, because this is a time for finishing your PhD studies. Also you have to provide research proposal. If you are applying through embassy track, you have to provide letter of invitation from the university. What does it mean? That if you are applying through embassy, first of all, you can define the requirements through embassy, but at the same time you have to find the university which is ready to accept you, and you have to do separate application for the university, and you have to check their requirements and eligibility criteria while applying. There is some other documents, for example, the applicant agreement, application form, and consent to collect and use your personal data, so it is not hard to provide, of course. So additionally, most important also, bachelor certificate or degree, bachelor transcript, it's very important. If you're applying PhD, master degree or diploma, and master transcript. So all these certificates should be apostilled, and they should be confirmed or certified by the consulate. It's very important. You can read about how to apostille your documents in the internet, because for each country it's different. So this is mostly for programs, right? Master and bachelor. And in most cases, the scholarship is expecting you to have some work experience. So if you have work experience, it's great. So, and you have to provide certificates and proof that you have been working in this or that sector or company. And the last important thing, that in most cases the programs will require you to know the Korean language. So if you're applying for master or PhD, you will have 1 year of Korean language course, but at the same time, if you already know Korean and if you can prove that you know Korean, you don't have, of course, to go through this 1 year, and you can provide the certificate. It's called TOPIK. And if you're applying for global network program, that is mainly for the humanities and social science programs, you don't have to learn Korean, so you don't have to have 1 year of Korean language course. So depending on your program, you will know whether you need to take 1 year Korean course, or you don't need. Check below for more detailed information on the scholarship, and see you in my next videos.